Very good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Please be seated. Today I want to know about your dreams, goals, aims and aspirations. Today we discuss about dreams. A well-known saying of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he said, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. దీని యొక్క సారాంశం ఏంటంటే కలలు కనండి, కలలు కనండి, కలలు కనండి. ఆ కలలు ఆలోచనలుగా రూపాంతరం చెందుతాయి. ఆ ఆలోచనలు ఆచరణ వైపు ప్రేరేపిస్తాయి. తనుజ, what do you want to become?
I want to become a software engineer.
I want to become a teacher.
I want to become a pilot.
I want to become a police officer.
I want to become an engineer.